Hello guys! First time namin gagawin ang Can Say No Challenge kay Pio since very good naman siya sa school. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami kung anong pipiliin niyang toy.
Pio, you can choose whatever toy you want but only one, okay?
Okay po, Mami.
Okay.
Mommy, I want this one!
You want this? Okay.
At ayun na nga at hindi na nakahindi ang mami sa gusto. Pero it's okay since we give it naman as a reward for being good. Pero bukod sa mga toys, sobrang hilig din ni Pio sa outdoor activities and exploring new things. He loves playing under the sun, kaya halos nakabantay na kami palagi. Yes, may takot pa rin, pero we let him unbox the world to help him grow and discover new things and experiences. Kaya sa mga ganitong pagkakataon na nadadapa at nadudumihan siya sa paglalaro, ay kasama ko ang Tender Care products na trusted ko na. Kaya naman, to make him clean and fresh, I use Tender Care Classic Mild Baby Powder and Tender Care Lavender and Oat Milk Baby Soap kasi it's gentle on his skin at perfect sa active kid like Pio. Kaya naman with Tender Care, ready na si Pio to explore more and unbox his world.